Okay, per request, we're going to take a look at the twin coach's engine compartment. And as you can see, it's been a while since this thing's been on the road. When I bought it, I had it towed or transported, so I've never actually driven it. It's been affected by mice, so it has to can I talk? It totally needs to be redone. So that's the left side compartment. I don't know if you see that little nameplate there, if that helps you or not. I'm trying to do this video quick so I can upload it fast. Don't want it to be too big of a video. And then well, you know what? This one is not coming up. And oops, chipping off there. So I can't get in the other side there. Probably without some effort. And I don't got time for that right now. So we'll just take a snoopy snoop. There isn't much to see anyway. The end of the compartment's right there. I don't know what's beyond there. Probably a battery well or something. Or that might be under the seats in the back. So hopefully that gives some illumination on what the heck's going on back here. There you go. All right, twin coach Cortez. Sorry. Okay.